Good day po, teachers. So update lang po tayo sa SARO for the salary adjustment of some division and school para po sa kanilang salary adjustment. So una po sa atin, ngayon pong September 3. Okay, so we have Region 13. And then, ito po ay for the Division of Siargao, no? To cover the full year requirements of the first tranche of the salary adjustment pursuant to National Budget Circular NBC number 594 dated August 12, 2024. So, Division of Siargao, meron na po kayong SARO para po sa inyong salary increase. Next po is we have San Isidro National High School. So ito po ay sa division po ng sa region 13 pa rin po. So meron na po silang SARO for the first tranche of the salary adjustments. We have also Socorro National High School. I think this also again in region 13. So tama po. We have Sapao National High School. So, ito po yung kanilang nakita po rin dito po, no? Yung kanilang SARO, no? First tranche of the salary adjustment. Also, we have Pilar National High School. So, same pa rin po sa Region 13. So, yan po yung mga school na lumabas. So, we have General Luna National High School. We have also here Del Carmen National High School. First tranche of salary adjustment. So, mostly po ito po mga school ay from Region 13. Nandito rin po yung Dapa National High School. Tubod National Comprehensive High School. Also, we have Toledo Espantilo Senior Memorial National High School. Team Mamana National High School. Taganaan National High School. So, check po natin. So, still from the Region 13, no? Ito po yung mga schools from Region 13. We have Surigao del Norte National High School, San Francisco National High School, Placer National High School. We have also Matinao National High School, so still from Region 13. So yun po yung mga lumabas ngayon na SARO for adjustment of the first tranche of salary increase. So next we have Masgad National High School, Mainit National High School, we have Gigakit National School of Home Industries, Claver National High School, we have Campo National High School, Balite National High School, Bacuag National Agro-Industrial School, so still from Region 13. So congratulations po for Region 13. So mga schools po dyan ay may mga lumabas na po full year requirements of the first tranche of the salary adjustment. Amado A. Fabio Memorial National High School. So, congratulations po sa inyo dyan. So, hopefully po, tomorrow, bibigay po tayo ng update sa mga bagong SARO po na lalabas for the salary adjustment for the first tranche of salary increase. And also, ang update rin po for performance-based bonus of some regions. So, don't forget po to subscribe and hit that notification bell para updated po tayo kung meron pong mga latest SARO for our performance-based bonus and for our first tranche of the salary increase. Yun na po at maraming salamat!